Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course, and the topic for today will be the resultant value. This command allows us to sum up the values of the reaction forces in several specific points, and what I want to mean with these points is possibility to do it for a vertex, an edge, a face, whatever. And we have these available for in terms of results, the reaction force magnitude and then the reaction force for the X, Y, and Z axis. Okay, we can choose several types of elements. Let's try to create a very simple example on the same model that we use on the previous lesson. The idea of this command is usually to check the reaction forces, so in these constrained areas where it is more visible. So if we go to the analysis, the first thing is to activate, in terms of the results, the group called reaction forces. So let us activate this. Let's do the calculation. Now we will open the tree, and we should have, in terms of results, reaction force for each one of the axes and in terms of magnitude. If I go now to magnitude, with my right mouse button, I will do a click and choose measure. I open this dialog box on the left, and I can choose one element where it will be displayed the sum of all the reactions. So for example, choosing a vertex, this one, and you get the amount in terms of newtons, and you have other units to choose. You have the value in each one of the axes and the sum up of this. So this is the core or the goal that we want to have with this command. It is very simple to use, and as you understand, instead of using the magnitude, we could use some of the other options. And instead of a vertex in this particular example, we could choose an edge. So simply, if we take this out, we could choose an edge or a face. So if it is an edge or this one, we can do the exact same calculation. So any help for this particular topic, let us know, and we are here for give you all the necessary support.